Hey y'all, welcome to Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh's Teen Time at Home. My name is Whitney. For today's activity, we're going to be leaving the house. See what I did there? Okay, we're not just leaving the house, we're also going to be collecting materials to make nature spirals with. If you don't feel like leaving your house today, maybe it's not as nice where you are as where I am right now, that's totally fine. Think about what small items you might have laying around your place that you could use to make a repetitive pattern with. If that doesn't make any sense right now, don't worry, I think you're gonna get lots of ideas as we move along. I'm excited about this activity for lots of reasons. The main one is that since we're social distancing, I'm using Microsoft Teams a lot more than I used to. And I've been thinking about how many of you are stuck inside staring at a screen all day too, and not necessarily in the way that you might like. So I have found out that at the end of my workday, it helps me to be very intentional about closing my laptop. Otherwise, I'm gonna be glued to it until the end of the night. It helps me to plan a change of pace with something that I know is relaxing for me. And for me, that thing is the natural world. What helps you unwind? Let us know in the comments. Another reason I'm excited about this activity is that I know as creators, we can put enormous pressure on ourselves to create a finished product that we feel proud of. We want to show off a little bit. Do you know what I'm talking about? Well, for some of us, that pressure can get in the way of experimenting with new techniques or even doing something that we already know that we enjoy. So one way that I have found to pop the bubble on that pressure and just get started is to make art with whatever you have, wherever you're at. Nature spirals are pretty cool because if you're making something that you know is temporary, you have no choice but to let it go. All right, y'all, we're going outside. You don't have to go very far, but do let your grown-up know where you're going. They really prefer that. Here's the stuff that you're gonna need. Also, are you into this? I get that not everybody likes being outside. Let us know in the comments or send an email to teens@carnegielibrary.org to tell us if you want us to keep thinking outside of the house or if you're already embracing the winter months. All right, that's it. This activity probably didn't make you any better at math, but I don't know, maybe it makes you feel a little bit more chill about studying for your math class. And as always, you should check out the homework resources on carnegielibrary.org. Check out tutor.com because the tutors there between noon and midnight actually might be able to help you get better at math. Like always, get in touch with us in the comments or via email if you're looking for more ways to relax and be more mindful. And thank you again for hanging out with me at Teen Time at Home. You can @CLP Teen Space and show us pictures of your finished work or your process. We're into that too. And keep an eye out for grab and go activity kits available at your neighborhood CLP location to participate with some of our upcoming Teen Times. We miss you a lot, and we look forward to creating together next Wednesday right here on the internet. See you later.